Hello, good evening. Today is Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening. So let's get going. Thank you for joining Mr. Full Profit class. So today, what we're going to be talking about the stock pick that we did yesterday. Like I said before, bio was a great opportunity, and Taiwan, and which one? There is another one that I gave as well. So today, I'm going to go ahead and break down and show you guys what was the reason why the stock pretty much survived the market. Even all the great stock pulled back. It was a rough day, but guess what? I was able to profit two-way. First of all, in my currency pair, as I posted on YouTube and my Facebook, on my platform, I made a profit of $700 or $800 for the day in my currency pair. And also I was able to benefit as well from those three stock that I gave yesterday as well. So now what we're going to be doing, I'm going to go ahead and break down on those patterns to see exactly what happened today with the market and why we survived it. All right, so go ahead and then tune in, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the breakdown. Thank you very much. Okay, this is my platform for my currency pair. What are we going to go ahead and do here? Let me go ahead and fire it up my TD Ameritrade platform. Okay, let's start with bio. Boom, chaka chaka. All right, so pretty much as you guys can see here, I'm gonna enlarge this. So pretty much bio was trying to make a move due to the market. It came back and we were able to close at $1.14. But between today, it opened at $3.93 and it went all the way up to $4.01. So that was a $7 run for the option guys. That was a pretty good day for them to take a profit. So let me tell you guys the reason why I believe that bio is a great stock right now. Now we're on a 50-minute moving average, 50-minute chart. So as you guys can see, it's an uptrend, right? So now we're gonna go ahead and do a little pullback here under the 50-minute chart. So don't be afraid. Now let's go ahead and minimize it to about a 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart, as you guys can see, the RSI and the MACD is still showing. Now, I'm expecting for the market to maybe do a little pullback. I'm not sure on up to maybe our 20 moving average bounce for uptrend again. We have to keep an eye on that. Or it might do a pullback around that support, at 381. So we're going to have to have a quick look at it maybe next week to see what's going on here. So we have some time. So now what I wanted to go ahead and do here as well, let's see what happened to Tesla. Wow, under the 1 hour chart, as you guys can see, my MACD indicator clearly says that it wasn't a downturn. I don't know why people was trying to buy it for an uptrend. It clearly was showing that from 4 p.m. it was definitely on a downtrend. So pretty much now let's go ahead and take some time and talk about what we're gonna show the class tonight. Tonight I'm gonna go ahead and give some more picks again. Go ahead and like and subscribe in my YouTube channel. And make sure that you turn on your bell so that way you could get all the alerts on time so you don't miss out, because every day I'm going to give some tip and also breakdown. So I'm excited again. And again, thank you for joining Mr. Full Profit. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn it back on the camera to the screen so that way we could go show you guys the breakdown again. So now what we're thinking about doing here is I'm going to go ahead and vet for some free stocks pick for the team under, I'll say $30 to $1. So I'm gonna go ahead and vet to my screen here, and it's gonna take a little while, but guess what? We have to be patient, right? Success come with patience. So I saw a great opportunity today on Siri. Siri did a wonderful move. I didn't get a chance to pick it up, but let me go show you guys the pattern where we could have picked up Siri. That was a big opportunity that I missed myself, you know, because I've been trading different stock. But if you could see here, I'm gonna give you guys a quick breakdown with my drawing tools. Siri been going to a consolidation for the last 4 months since March, and finally it broke around June 26th, and it been in an uptrend at $4.23. So we could have profit around like maybe close to $8, maybe $3 profit. So that's fine. There's many opportunities. Like I said, don't be worried. That's why I'm here to help you guys get this thing going, your profit in. So now what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be vetting to some stocks to see what might be available for us to trade here. Excuse me if I'm going a little fast, because I know you guys don't have that much time in front. So let me go ahead and keep screening to see what's available for us to trade. If I were to take, okay. Okay, this is not a bad stock. It's a little bit on the consolidation mode, but TDUP is at $3.22. Today it did a nice couple of good candles, but I would definitely like to see an uptrend and a pullback on top of that support line, that resistance line, I mean. And from there it should go ahead and bounce back. So let's play it safe. You know what, team? There's another stock that we could look at. It's a Century Therapeutic. So it's IPSC. So we'll keep an eye on it. I'm not sure if it's ready yet. I don't really like the stock because the volume is not there. But let's go ahead and keep searching. Help me do some research here, and I would definitely appreciate it. And if you guys have any comments, you guys could go ahead and DM me. And you could go in my YouTube channel, put some comments down, and that way I could go ahead and read them. Let's see here. ATUS. ATUS is not bad. ATUS. I would definitely keep an eye on, because you could clearly see that it's been consolidating. Now finally it's breaking above the MACD center line. So ATUS is a stock that I probably, you know, if I would have traded, I would have hold on to it for a couple of more months. And I know that they have earnings coming up as well. But that's not my preferred stock. So just give me a little patience here, a little time, and we'll find something that might fit. Yes. Also, make sure that you guys follow the news. Next week is gonna be a long week. A lot of big tech earnings gonna be coming out. So Amazon, all those. So be ready for the stocks to do some rally, and an uptrend and a downtrend as well. So I was grateful today. While the market was red, all my 3 stocks that I chose yesterday did a nice run. It wasn't crazy run, but I was still able to be in profit while a lot of people was in the hole today. So that was a blessing. Superior. Let me take a look at Superior under the 5-minute chart. 1 second here. Bomb. No, I don't like it. As you can see, the candles are broken up. There's too many little light candles. There is no volume involved. So that's the best way to do the research sometimes. I promise you guys, I'm gonna give you guys few good stocks but must be patient. See, I have to have time to keep going, keep going. Woo! 1 second, 1 second. I think I missed something here. Hmm. Guys, and here, let me see how much volume does this stock carries. I will pay attention. I could put a light position on ITI. It's not too bad as well, but I'm pretty sure I'll find something better. I usually trade the mega stock, the $1 billion stocks, because there is more opportunity. They move more faster. So as you guys can see, when you're around the $4 stock, there is not too much movement. The volume is not there too much. So okay, yeah, the graph is not. I haven't seen one of my favorite pattern yet creating in my head, so allow me a little time. All these stocks under the $10, they usually have a little bit low volume. You rarely will find one that has a lot of volume, a lot of movement. That one doesn't look too bad. United Insurance Holding, UIHC, but I don't believe it moves that much as well. So it's a long-term stock. Again, go ahead and subscribe, like while you're listening to the. Let's go ahead and see if we could put some. As you guys can see, my journey is not easy at all. I do that all day, all night. But guess what? I make money every day, so I'm willing to spend my own time, my own investment, searching on the stocks. I don't know what's going on here with the. So you guys could tell me how was your day today in trading? You know, definitely I like to see your posts if you made some good profit and stuff like that. Here I found one that's really kind of interesting. Let me show you the reason why I would choose to trade that one. You could go ahead and put that one on your watch list, because of course it's already above all my moving average. It did a nice little pullback. So I would say right now the stock is at 535. It doesn't have too much room yet up to all the way to 619. So again, it's a slow stock. So you got to be careful. Make sure that you read about it to make sure that the stock has good profit coming in. I know it feels like forever. That's exactly what I have to go through, ladies and gentlemen. So don't feel bad. Okay. Okay. Urban One. I'm not too sure. I need a few more weeks to watch Urban One. I'm looking for something that does opposite divergence. You guys could go ahead and check on Google and find the definition of a divergent pattern. I would prefer to trade those kind of divergence, especially for those low stock. It's a pretty long video, huh? But I just want you guys to know what I have to go through every day for me to be successful. Patient and time. Okay, I found one that okay, that's not bad. It's a slow moving stock. I'll say OPRT. It's doing a major consolidation, but you might be able to get couple of maybe $1 or $2 out of it. But from the formation, it looks pretty good to me. You see, it's a little hard. Wow. I like, you know what? NOTV. Wow, that was a nice run for NOTV. I kind of like NOTV. So I would say go ahead and then put that in your watch list. And that wouldn't be a bad idea. The volume is there, it's 6 million. So the bulls are really definitely in that stock. NOTV, breaking news, NOTV is one of the stock that I'll be paying attention to. If it does a pullback, I'll watch it. I'll keep watching it because it looks like it wants to do something really nice. So NOTV, let me go ahead and put that down on my watch list to keep an eye on it. But always remember that you also gotta connect all your charts. Make sure it's the right position. You're getting them at the bottom, even the 5-minute chart for the trader that understand what I'm talking about. Because usually it does a pullback early in the morning, so you don't want to get in on a negative end. Wow, it's a lot of okay. Dish Network, wow, Dish Network hasn't been doing that good at all. It's always been in a downturn, as you guys can see. Unfortunately, Dish Network is a great company, but it seems like with all the streaming and stuff like that, they're not getting the volume that they need. So yeah. So we're already close to like $10 stock. As you can see, most of the stocks, they move kind of funny. They don't move as the bigger market cap stocks. Their candle are usually small. That's because there is no volume in there most of the time. So it's what we'll do, we'll stop at $10 to see if we could find something, and we'll go to our FinViz and see what's coming up with their earnings tomorrow, and we could go ahead and help you guys find something decent for tomorrow. But I really don't like to trade on earnings like all the time, unless I'm reading in front of my computer under my 1 minute or 5-minute chart. I got all my chart times, scheduled properly, so that way I could watch the position of it. Okay, class, I know you guys are a little bit boring. So what we're gonna go ahead and do here, let me go ahead, I'm gonna go ahead and look to Finviz, the stock that we talked about yesterday. What I'm gonna go ahead and do, let me go ahead and bring it back. Tomorrow earnings, let's see what's happening tomorrow. Okay, we have about 13. We're just gonna go ahead and vet to. I'm gonna go ahead and create a list to my for tomorrow earning. You go to create watch list, and I always put tomorrow earnings. And once I get there, I just import it. I go to import. Kaboom! Oops, I don't know what happened here. Let me see, import. Something went wrong. Let's see. Okay, it's here. So let's go back to the screen. We had about 13 stocks, as you guys could see. Okay, beautiful. Let's go ahead and screen down to it. Wow, it seems like Region Financial definitely is in an uptrend. I agree, but the way it looks, it already left my hotspot position. IPG, yeah, it doesn't look too good. None of the stock interests me really here. I would have traded none of them. So, class. So what we're gonna go ahead and do tomorrow morning, I'll go ahead and come live again around 3:34. I'll do my best to try to go ahead and try to give a pre-market position so that way we can make some good money. So again, thank you for joining Mr. Full Profit, and we're gonna go ahead and close down because it seems like there's not too much activities right now. And again, you got to be careful when you're trading your earnings because earnings are really brutal. You don't want to go to that situation as well. All right. So again, thank you for following us, and we're gonna go ahead and go ahead and close the chat. Go ahead and like and subscribe, so that way we could go ahead and give you some more tip as well. Thank you very much for joining Mr. Full Profit. Thank you.